Alright, for this trick I shuffle these cards and now spectator name any cards, maybe queen. Alright, I take for queen, queen number 1, number 2, number 3 and 4. It's really 3 cards for queen, it's really no force. And now I shuffle these cards maybe like this and maybe like this. And next step, spectator take any 4 cards, it's really true, it's no force. Maybe card number 1 here, maybe card number 2 this, maybe 3 this, and maybe 4 this. It's really no force, it's really 4 random cards. This is card number 1, this is card number 2, this is card number 3, and this card number 4. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really true. It's not force, it's really 4 cards. Snap my finger, now this. 1, 2, 3, 4, queen. It's really 4 cards, it's really 4 queen. I take this 1 queen and put in her like this and squeeze. Of course this, really 1, 2, 3, queen. And now I shuffle these cards like this, maybe like this. And now you make a spread. And 1 queen, search 3 queen. Of course this is 1 card, this is queen of diamonds. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable no setup card trick. Yes, it's really foundation magic. It's really unbelievable education card trick magic. It's really card magic. It's really sleight of hand. It's really unbelievable card trick. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video with your friend magician, why not, it's really unbelievable. And now take this deck and teach this unbelievable sleight of hand card trick. Let's learn. Alright, for this trick, spectator shuffle these cards, maybe shuffle like this and maybe shuffle like this. It's really no setup, no force, it's really unbelievable card trick. Alright. And next step, spectator name any cards. It's really free. Maybe queen, maybe 4, maybe 5, maybe 10, maybe jack, maybe king. It's really any cards. Maybe queen. Alright. And next step, you make a spread and search for queen. This is queen number 1. And next step, you show these cards like this. Next step, you take this queen number 2, search queen number 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Alright, and show it this 4 queen, it's really true. And next step, turn over these cards, and now you make step with card control like this. This 4 queen like this. And next step, you drop it this pile, right, like this, and take this pile and this 4 queen like this. And next step, you make shuffle like this, alright, and control these cards bottom of the deck. I repeat, it's really shuffle deck. It's not force, it's really true. Boom, boom, boom. Name any cards. Queen, alright. Show these cards. Search queen number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. It's really true. Turn over, squeeze, and now make a card control like this. Drop this pile like this, alright. Take this pile and 4 queen, and now make a shuffle like this, alright. Of course, your queen here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And next step, you make a spread like this and count 4 queen and make a break like this. Look. Make a spread, count 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now make a break these 4 cards like this and save it. I repeat, make your spread, 1, 2, 3, 4, make your break and squeeze. Alright. You break 4 queen, 4 ace, I'm sorry. You break 4 queen. And next step, spectator take any 4 cards. Card number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and squeeze. And next step, you make move it like this, and now use this break, transfer this finger like this, alright, and save with this break. Look, your break here, and now you save with this break your right hand, this finger. And next step, you take these cards, show it, these cards, and now you take these cards, your right hand, drop it this 4 queen, this pile, and take these cards. Alright, I repeat, 4 queen, make you break. Alright, I repeat, take 4 cards, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make move it like this, take these cards like this, save with your break, take card number 1, take card number 2, take card number 3, and now drop with these cards like this is 4 queen, drop it, and take these cards. And next step, use this pile, drop it like this. Of course, this is 8 cards. Right. And next step, you drop it 4 cards, deal one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really 4 cards. And now this 3 queen and 1 cards random. And next step, take these 2 cards, because this is 1 random cards and queen, and drop it like this. And next step, take these 4 cards, snap your finger, turn over, and now you show it 4 queen, because you make aimlessly count. You take 1 card, take 2 cards, 1, 1. It's really easy. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's really 4 queen. Of course, this is your cards here. Turn over, take these cards, and maybe drop it like this and squeeze. Of course, take this 3 queen, turn over, show this 3 queen, and make you break this queen and save it. Break like this. Take 4 cards, right? Take 4 cards and show it 3 queen. 1, 2, 3. Of course, this is 2 cards. And now you squeeze these 4 cards and drop it like this. And next step, you maybe shuffle, maybe no shuffle, I don't know. And now you make a spread like this. And now you 1 cards, putting her like this. Of course, you show it. This is queen of diamonds. It's really unbelievable card tricks. Thank you for watching my video. See you later.